For this next tutorial, we are going to be talking about how to add functional groups to a molecular model. Now, we're going to be starting with this basic propane, which we built earlier, and we are going to first add an alkyne. Now, this is a triple bond. This represents an alkyne. So, in order to turn this propane into a propyne, I am going to remove this terminal carbon and add this triple bond onto here. Now, this actually represents two carbons. So in order to make this a true propyne, I would have to remove this carbon as well. So this we have a propyne. Now, notice that this alkyne does not rotate or bend. The single bond still does, but the triple bond does not rotate at all. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to build is going to be a carboxylic acid. Now to turn this into a carboxylic acid, I'm going to remove the triple bond and put one of these carbons back on. And now I have a carboxylic acid that's already been built for me. If you look here, this is a carbon, and it is double bonded to this red structure, which red in this model kit represents oxygen. So this is a carbonyl carbon because it's double bonded to, or it's a carbonyl oxygen because it's double bonded to a carbon. And then over here we have an oxygen that is single bonded to the carbon and a hydrogen, which is a hydroxyl group. So this represents a carboxylic acid, and I'm going to add that onto the end here, and we have a carboxylic acid. Now, in order to convert this carboxylic acid into an aldehyde, all I have to do is remove this hydroxyl group. And now I have an aldehyde. You see the double bonded oxygen, the carbonyl, and this would be a hydrogen here and your two carbons. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is convert this aldehyde into a ketone. Now, in order to do that, I need to move this double bonded oxygen. So we are going to remove this, and we are going to just switch these around. And so now we have a ketone. Finally, I want to convert this ketone into an amine. Now in order to do that, again, I'm going to remove the double bonded oxygen. And we're going to put this back here. And I'm going to add my carbon back on here. And then this is an amine. Blue represents nitrogen. So we have nitrogen and two hydrogens here. And we're going to add that on at the end of our propane to make an amine.